When I tell you, tell me the truth. Just tell me the truth. Have you seen these? Ooh, yeah, these are so cute. Let me, I can't get these down quick enough, okay? Listen, you ready? You ready, Linda? There's quite a few people up in here, okay? Look, check these out. Check if I can get them. Hold on. Me act like the paper not over there, okay? You see these glasses? Honey, these are styling and profiling. Honey, it say cake time, okay? All right, now I had to keep this on here because, honey, I ain't getting these. But these are cute. Look at the sprinkles. Very, very nice. And they come in different colors. These are $1.25. Styling. Okay, so the colors they have the pink ones. They also have these blue ones. And look at this with the sprinkles. This is so cute. Absolutely love this. So, honey, this is like for birthday parties or whatever. And, honey, well, little kids or even adults, okay? Honey, you want to let your inner child come out. They could wear these glasses. This is a steal deal like nobody business. Peace, family. Peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious night. If not, do understand and get your night. Thank you. Your night, day is going to get better once your perception gets better. All right, so today we are at the Dollar Tree on 29th Street. Child, and they got some nice items, okay? As soon as I come in, I'm like, see the things right here. 1 second. Okay, so the item of the week, Dollar Tree has these spring bushes over here. These are really cute. Absolutely love these. They have them in different colors. They have some pink and orange and purple. Really cute. So these are $3. And then over here they have the 1 dozen roses, which are $3 as well. And then at the bottom they have these plush teddies, which are really cute. These are $5. And then of course they have these vases down at the bottom, and I think these are $1.25. Oh no, these $3, child. Honey, don't get me to lying. So also was with the item of the week is some chocolates, some Elmer's chocolates over here, the little chocolate candy. I tell you one thing, honey, when you come to Dollar Tree, you gonna know that it's Valentine's Day, okay? Because, honey, they got the balloons everywhere, okay? All right, they have balloons or, look at this. Balloons or down here. Honey, they ain't playing. Honey, let the choir say, hey. Okay, so if you guys are looking for some children's books, Dollar Tree definitely have Strange Things Are Happening and Creepers. I absolutely love these books for my youngest son, but you guys know, if you watched my video when I talked about the books, I brought him one of these books. He said he was scared, okay? Right? I don't know if the kid just said that or what, but he said he was scared. But they also have Ready to Read, Daniel Goes Out for Dinner. This is cute. All right, all of them. Daniel, wait, hold on, child. They got a few. They got some more over here. Daniel Gets Scared. Okay, these are so cute. $1.25. Absolutely love these. Enchanto, Antonio's Amazing Gift. Oh, I like this. Play Pad Jumbo Puzzles. Nancy Drew. Now, Nancy Drew was the girl. Okay, Nancy Drew, Honey Detective. Child, okay, this is definitely styling and profiling. Okay, so to the ones that's out there that has a garden, a lawn, okay, Dollar Tree has this 50-foot right here, water hose for $10. They also have the 15 bulb light set. You guys know how I feel about these. These are so nice. I absolutely love this. These are $5. And then, of course, they have some of the metal stake bird feeders, bird bath, which is $5 as well. These lanterns over here, which are $5 as well. Let's see what else they have. Now, these lanterns, I like these as well. These are really cute. If I had to choose between these and a string lantern, the LED, the 15 bulb light set, it would definitely be the 15 bulb light set. Now, I know that's different compared to these because this is a solar lantern, but I just like what I like, honey. All right. Now, this is $5. Fancy Pantsy Mancy. Okay, so if you need some socks or anything like that, socks, tights, honey, Dollar Tree is definitely doing it for you and me. Now, these Marilyn Monroe socks, I definitely, when I first seen these came out like around Christmas time, I believe. Oh my goodness. Or maybe before Christmas, maybe like before Thanksgiving. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love these. Okay, these are $3 for 5 pairs. And I thought last time they was pretty thin, but these feel a little thick. And I absolutely love this. You guys know I'm a details girl. Okay, what else? And Dollar Tree also have the shark grabbers, 5 pieces for the kids. This is $5. So cute. Bubble Fun Butterfly Bubble Wand, okay, and this is $5 as well. Dollar Tree is doing it for you and me. They not playing. So just in case if you didn't know, Dollar Tree is selling this amazing wallpaper, okay, really cute. They have this one with the butterflies on here. Absolutely like this. And then they also have this war stickers. These war stickers up at the top that says smile. One says family, happy. These are really cute. Dream. This is nice. I like this. Welcome home. And then they also have some more of the wallpapers. Now, my favorite is definitely this one with the butterflies. Okay, and then second, it would be this one. The rest of them, I don't really care for them. Now, Dollar Tree also have 2-piece hooks, okay? These are $1.25. Honey, I guess the people been buying these up, all right? And look at this. Now, when it comes to home decor, Dollar Tree, you know, I'm looking forward to what you guys gonna bring out, okay? Always and forever. The home decor has been home decoring, okay, to say the least, all right? They also have this home decor over here that says bloom, and then they also have one that says bless. That bless one is nice. And porch and home, really cute, $1.25. Where are you going to get these pieces at for $1.25 home decor? Come on, be real. Okay, so we seen these a few weeks ago, right? Dollar Tree has these spray bottles, which are $1.25. I absolutely love these because you can make your own concoction when it comes to cleaning, all right? You can put some peppermint, some lemon, essential oils, and some water and honey. You got your own concoction for cleaning solutions. Get the words out. Okay, so to the ones that's healthy that has some furry friends, okay, Dollar Tree definitely has these premium puppy power dog food. This is $5. All of this is pretty much $5. Is this cheaper than PetSmart? Let me know. Okay, let me know in the comment section. Okay, honey, because these some, in my opinion, big. These some big bags. Okay, I guess it depends on the size of the dog. But these, and the cats. Okay, cats. I guess this is okay, right? But the dogs, you know, those dogs get really huge. And these, the cat food bags. These are $5. Peace, family, peace. Okay, so I wanted to close out the video properly. Okay, my phone had died when I was inside the store. They didn't really have too much when it came to like the cosmetics and stuff. No new makeup or anything like that. But tomorrow I will be going to Clifton, New Jersey. Okay, to the New Jersey folks. Okay, and I'll let you guys see what they have at that store, at that location, because you know every Dollar Tree is pretty much different, right, when it comes to certain products that they carry. Also, let me know what other shopping hauls you guys prefer for me to do. Okay, Dollar Tree, you guys know Dollar Tree is my thing, okay, like a chicken wing, all right? Okay, but make sure you guys are rocking out, believing in yourselves. Let me know in the comment section what other videos you prefer me to do. I know I said I'm gonna do IKEA. I get to IKEA. I don't know when I do it. I don't know if it'll be this week or next week. But you guys will see when I post the IKEA video. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and I have some goodies. I'm guessing, you know, the stores that I'm going tomorrow, you know, they different. I'm guessing that they got some goodies over there. Okay, we shall see. With that being said, peace.